before you head to the grocery store. You will want to know what's on sale, so our Smart Shopper team got the ads early so they could do the hard work for you. ABC 15's morning anchor Danielle Lerner has the deals.
Food City has an awesome deal on mangoes, but only if you shop on Wednesday. Get 4 for $1. Normally you'd pay $1 just for one. Small avocados are on sale all week long, 5 for $1. Fry's has grapes on sale for 99 cents a pound. They've also got a great deal on pineapples. You can get 2 for $5. Fry's, Safeway, and Bash's all have canned soda on sale, 4 for $8.88. Albertsons has 2 liters of Coke, Pepsi, and 7-Up on sale for just 49 cents each, but you have to buy 5 to get that price. While you're at Albertsons, grab a large 18-count of Lucerne eggs for $1.49 each. They've also got a great deal on fresh blueberries. Buy a 6-ounce container for $2.99 and get 2 containers free. That is a screaming deal. Let's get back to Safeway. Get large Gala apples or Bartlett pears for 69 cents a pound. And blackberries, they're on sale, 6 ounces for 88 cents each. That's more than half off their regular price. Bash's has the best deal we found on russet potatoes. Get a 10-pound bag for just 97 cents. You can also get 2 16-ounce containers of strawberries for just $3.